All right, now a massive demolition drive is currently underway at Khyber Pass and civil lines, where several residents were forced to vacate their homes within a span of just 2 days by the Land and Development Office of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The residents who say they have lived in the area for over 70 years are demanding adequate compensation or alternate accommodation. According to the LNDO notice issued on July 30th, the 32 acres of land at Khyber Pass, previously owned by the Notified Area Committee, is now under its ownership. The notice claims that the land has been unauthorizedly occupied by squatters and features heavy illegal construction.
A massive demolition drive is underway here in Khyber Pass in civil lines. The residents were given a notice by the Land and Development Office of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and they were asked to vacate their homes within a span of just 2 days. The notice was issued on July 30th, but here the residents are enraged and they are distraught because they have been living here for over 70 years, and all of a sudden their home is completely in shatters, and their only hope is the Delhi High Court hearing, which is scheduled for tomorrow. And of course the notice says that this 32 acres of land at Khyber Pass, which was earlier owned by the Notified Area Committee, is now under its ownership, and the notice claims that the land has been unauthorizedly occupied by squatters and features heavy illegal construction. The residents have been directed to vacate all unauthorized occupation and remove illegal construction from the land immediately, or will face eviction and demolition of their homes by the authorities at their own expense. And this is not the first time that the residents are facing this kind of demolition drive. Earlier in the month of July, we have seen 250 homes being demolished, and now yesterday, on Saturday, around 112 homes have been razed, and of course the residents protested. They were angry, they were upset because these are the residents who are paying their electricity bills, the house taxes year after year, and now they are left with no compensation, no alternate accommodation facilities, and they are on the roads without any solution in sight. Of course, the Delhi High Court hearing is scheduled for tomorrow, and that is the last glimmering hope of all these residents. With camera person Sudesh Kumar, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV Delhi.